For Bitcoin, we need to talk about some important things. One of them is the spot ETF data. Timo will have a look at this with you guys in a few seconds, and he will also look with you guys on the charts on the different time zones, so you know what are the most important resistance and support zones at the moment. If you're enjoying this content, please make sure to leave a like and comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please also make sure to subscribe and activate the bell. We are updating you guys every day, and for now I would say we'll just start in the content.
Yesterday we saw the first negative ETF outflow in this week. The big question is right now what we will see in the next week and also where the weekly candle will close. So first of all, we want to take a closer look at the spot ETF data from yesterday. We saw a negative outflow from 139 millions. This is really interesting. With this data, we have now a total inflow in this week from 1.7 billion US dollar. For me, a really positive sign. The spot ETFs keep up the buying pressure. This is also for the Bitcoin price currently one of the strongest catalyzers we have seen for the pump. If we talk about the weekly candle, we saw 19.8% in this week, one of the strongest Bitcoin candles we have seen in months. Now the big question, is this the start of the next bull market, or will we see another smaller correction to the price levels of around 50,000 US dollars? For me, the answer will be in the weekly candle close. We will see tomorrow night, but also what we are currently seeing is that we have the potential for another smaller pump on the daily time frame. What we are seeing here is a bigger bull flag. We saw the breakout on Monday. If we measure the price target from this bull flag, we have a price target of around 75,000 US dollars. And for me, it would be relevant if we could see a day candle close above $62,400 to achieve this price target. Also on the smaller time frame, we have some really interesting patterns. What we are seeing here currently is a symmetrical triangle on the 1 hourly time frame. We have a neutral hourly RSI. The price target from our continuation symmetrical triangle pattern would be around 66,000 US dollars. But for me, I think the day candle close on the 62,400 US dollars would be much more important than the breakout from this pattern. So for me currently, it's going to be really interesting where the day candle will close. And also, what about the weekly candle? We talked about it, 19.8%. Will the weekly candle sold off again, or can the bulls keep up the bullish momentum we are seeing right now? This is the big question, which will be answered tomorrow. So that's all for today's video. We will see us tomorrow in the next video. Bye.